Today I'm going to show you how you can make your mailbox smarter. Like I was tired of checking the mailbox every day, thought of doing something about it. This device I'm going to use for my project today. These are basically Wi-Fi PI motion sensor. I have put a link in the description below so that you can purchase it from there. These are not very expensive, so I would say like for this project we need only one of these. I have bought multiple but need just one, a couple of AAA batteries, and the mobile phone which has the smart life app installed. So yeah, I'll go about showing how we can do this. So I'm opening this up, and basically it has this unit. There are a couple of other things which we don't need at the moment. So once I put it, it will automatically be in the detection mode. So it gets switched on itself, and now you can see it's blinking, showing that it requires to be paired up. Now I'm switching to my phone where I have this app installed. I'll put the details in the description. The moment I open, it will show a prompt to add itself. So I'm clicking on add. It requires a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, which is already the default. You might need to change it if it's not. Clicking on next. It'll take a while to install. It will also try to update the firmware, so it might take a couple of minutes. So once this is done, there are a couple of configuration that you need to do. Yeah, it automatically started detecting, and you can change it to mailbox so that whenever there is a notification you will get to know that you have received a mail. Done, and done here again. So now it's in the configuration mode. It is already working. A couple of configuration that I need to do is like click on set. Yeah, low battery alarm is default on. No motion alarm, I'm not sure what it does, but there's also a motion alarm which will be on. I'm turning this off, and yeah, so whenever there is a post, you'll get a notification on your phone. A device you need to put in your mailbox, like bottom corner would be great so that nobody sees it, but once there is a post, it will sense it and then it will send a notification out on your phone. This is pretty much. Thank you for watching. Let me know in your comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.